In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an entire workspace in Notion. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting a workspace is a permanent action. This means the content inside that workspace, including pages, databases, and team information, can be removed for good. So before you continue, make sure you are absolutely certain that this is the workspace you want to delete. To get started, open Notion and make sure you are already logged in. Once you're inside the app or on the website, check that you are currently viewing the correct workspace. This is important because many people use more than one workspace, and you don't want to accidentally remove the wrong one. Take a moment to confirm the workspace name before moving forward. When you're ready, look toward the top area of the left-hand sidebar. There, click on Settings and Members. This will open the Workspace Settings panel, where you can manage different options related to that workspace. Inside the Settings pop-up, look for the Workspace section. From there, select General. This area contains the main workspace level settings, including basic configuration options and, most importantly, for this process, the workspace deletion controls. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the General Settings page. Near the bottom, you'll find a section called the Danger Zone. As the name suggests, this area contains actions that can make major changes to your workspace. So it's a good idea to move carefully here. In the Danger Zone, click on Delete Entire Workspace. Notion includes an extra confirmation step here to help prevent accidental deletion, which is especially useful if multiple people have access to the workspace or if the workspace contains important information. After clicking the Delete option, Notion will ask you to type the exact name of the workspace. This step is there to confirm that you really intend to remove it. Carefully type the workspace name exactly as it appears. Once that is done, click Permanently Delete Workspace. At that point, the workspace deletion process will be confirmed. And that's it. That's how to delete an entire workspace in Notion. As a final tip, if you think you might need anything from that workspace later, it's a smart idea to review or back up important content before completing the final confirmation. If this video helped, you can follow along with the same steps anytime you need to manage your Notion workspaces safely and confidently.